We found what looks like a truck underwater right off the boat ramp.
I'll get you an officer out there. Are you gonna stay there?
Yeah, I'll be here.
All right, so I went down, was able to find the tag.
That thing is beat up.
It's like literally crumbling apart, but we do have the license tag. Police are on their way.
There's a truck sitting right here.
I mean, you don't think anybody's in it?
No one's in it.
We have tag up on.
We have sonar. Yeah, we've actually got a boat over there, and we use sonar to. We're actually looking for a missing person, Virginia Collier.
Let me make a phone call and call some of the dive guys.
Okay. All right, perfect. Thank you. Police are checking out the scene right now. They're trying to determine if they need to get their dive team out here or not.